Hi, this is Deborah Saavedra with Legal Office Guru, and I hope you're seeing my word screen right now, because right now we're going to go over some easy track changes things that you can set up. If you can get track changes where you can actually get to it very quickly. And also I'm going to show you how to manipulate the markup so that you can, and I need to turn my speaker off, so you can actually look at the document with the changes, without the changes, with the markup, without the markup. If we've not met, by the way, I'm Deborah Saavedra with Legal Office Guru, and I help lawyers and other legal professionals use Microsoft Office better in a legal office context. So I've shared my screen here, and the first thing I'm going to do in this moment is show you how you normally would go to track changes. You would go to the Review tab, and you would turn it on here. But there's actually a quicker and easier way to do this. You see this long gray bar at the bottom of the word screen. That is called the status bar. And you may not have quite as many things on your status bar as I do, because I've gotten mine sort of pimped out. And the reason that I do that is it gives me some easy access to some features that otherwise I would have to hunt through the ribbon for. For example, I got my zoom over here. I can zoom in and out of my document. I can change views. I can start recording a macro, and I can turn track changes on and off with a single click. Now, the way that you get all of this stuff on your status bar is to right click. And you notice that I have everything turned on, and you would think that that would really junk up your status bar. But as you can see, it's pretty contextual. It actually will only show you the things that will probably be relevant in a particular context. And I've just made sure that I have track changes checked here so that it actually shows down here. So you notice I've got track changes turned on, and with a single click, I can turn it on and off. So you may want to investigate, sort of getting your status bar set up so that you've got a lot of this information and access to some of these features that you might not otherwise have. Now let's talk about showing or hiding the tracked changes. Now I'm in Word 2016. I have an Office 365 subscription, and this is the desktop version, Office 2016. Since Office 2013, I believe, this is the way that markup is shown. There's simple markup, which is the default. There's all markup, no markup, and original. Now, simple markup shows you the fact that something has been changed in this document. There's this little red indicator here that shows that something in this area has been added or deleted. You notice that there's this text. This is text I've added. I've got something that's deleted, but that deletion is hidden right now. And then there's a comment that I put out here. That's simple markup. If you're working in versions 2010 or before, you don't have this particular option available. If I go to all markup, I can actually see all of the changes that I've made. So you see that this text is underlined, showing that I've added something. This is struck through, showing that I've deleted something. And then there's the comment that I've made that's actually been put into a bubble here. If I go to no markup, this is what the document would look like if all of the changes were actually accepted. So if someone has asked you for a quote unquote clean copy of what you've done, this is the change, or this is the option that you want to pick. You can actually view it this way, and you can print it this way. So if someone, again, asks you for a clean copy showing what the document would look like in final, you don't have to go through and accept all the changes in order to make that clean copy. I've seen a lot of people just save it as a new document and then accept all the changes, and that's how they make their clean copy. And you end up with a lot of duplicate documents, and that can kind of get confusing. If all somebody really wants is just to be able to print it out or PDF it the way that it would look with all the changes accepted, you don't have to actually accept all of the changes to do that. if you want to be able to see the document the way it looked originally before any changes were made, you just click on that drop down and choose Original. And that's the way the document looked before any edits were made. So that is a quick and dirty introduction to track changes and manipulating the markup in this dialog or in this drop down. If document collaboration is an issue that you run across in your office a lot, and you want to be able to use track changes and some of the other document collaboration tools in Word a bit more successfully, a bit more easily, you may be interested in a particular course that I have just started. And this is in beta testing right now. And this is my document collaboration course. Right now it is in beta testing, and I'm offering this for $7 because the course is in progress. I'm actually writing the lessons right now, but I've got a lot of people who are already enrolled and giving me some feedback. And so because this particular course is in progress, it's actually being offered for $7. Once I get all of the course elements configured and everything done, I am going to increase the price. But for those of you who want to sort of get in on the ground floor and be able to shape the content to the sorts of situations that you run across, this offer may be something that's attractive to you. You notice it's at legalofficeguru.com/download/document-collaboration-course. So take a look at that. And if that's a subject that you are interested in, if that's a particular skill and word that you want to be able to pick up, then do take a look at that. So I hope this little quick training has been helpful for you. If you use track changes, if you want to get it to be a little bit more accessible and you want to be able to scroll through the different views and be able to look at the document without having to do accept all changes and saving things as a new document, then I hope this is a skill that's going to be really helpful for you going forward. So I'm going to sign off now. Now, it hasn't been quite 13 minutes, but I'm going to go ahead and sign off. And I hope this has been helpful. And this has been Deborah Saavedra with Legal Office Guru. And I will see you next time.